Hey, Vision AutoWorks here. This is one of our first and still very popular jewel-eye retrofits for the Acura RSX platform 05 to 06 models only. These utilize the Acura RLX LED projectors. This is a double-stacked jewel-eye multi-lens array which outputs low beam only. Internally, everything is painted gloss black to match the OEM bezels on the Acura RSX headlights. The factory bezels on the RLX are actually a flat black, so we actually paint over that, gloss it out. And of course, the turn signal housing is chrome and gray to begin with, so we also paint that to make everything match internally. You can visit us on the web and order this package at visionautoworks.com. Give us a call or email if you have any questions.